So the Camp Better campaign is focusing on how do we do things better in the camping world. So AllMade came about, we wanted to change the industry. The garment industry is the second most pollutant in the world under oil because of the crude oils, the pesticides, the water waste. A lot of factors in making a t-shirt. We wanted to make a t-shirt that was formed and created by screen printers for screen printers. AllMade just came out with this new t-shirt, and it's a recycled t-shirt. We decided to use t-shirt scraps and recycled t-shirts and use 50% of the t-shirt is made out of that. And then we still have 6 plastic bottles. So 50% recycled cotton and 50% recycled plastic. So creating this superior t-shirt that is all recycled. So the Camp Better campaign is focusing on how do we do things better in the camping world. We're out there in RVs, we're in tents, we're in overlanders, we're in all these things, and we want to do it better. So the Camp Better campaign is all about focusing on campsites and how do we do better as campers to recycle, to use better products, to use more sustainable products. And this is one of the main reasons that I love AllMade, is we're doing what we're talking about. We're providing a quality, sustainable product, and we're helping the environment. The Camp Better campaign is simple. It's just leave no trace. It's, plan ahead. If you know you're going to a park that has recycling bins and has trash, then you're good, but don't always assume that. Not every park has that. Not every park has trash cans because they don't have staff to clean up after. They don't have recycling bins. So it's always on us. So it's very simple. Camp Better is you. So the question is, how do you camp better? It's just being conscious, thinking about what you do before you go out. Big example, reusable water bottles. Instead of bringing a plastic water bottle, bring a reusable one. You don't have to throw it away. And you can pick up trash too if you want. That's great. So if you're hiking and you see trash, you can pick it up. So these are really easy changes for a campground to make, for you to make. You just need to ask the question. Ask a campground to put out recycling bins or trash bins. Camping better starts with you asking the question. And it's a good promotion to get everyone out in nature. So camp, hike, buy an RV, buy a cool truck, but just get outside.